Hello guys, in this video we're going to talk about how to connect your Android phone to your Mac for file transfers. So here we have a actual application that will work for you. So here it's called OpenMDP. Just download it from your Mac and then you'll be all good to go. So it features connecting via USB cable and fast transfer speeds, even dark mode, drag and drop, transfer multiple files, Apple Silicon support, Garmin device, and even Fujifilm support. So you can choose between grid and list views, just like your own actual MacBook, and single pane mode and tab layouts. You can also choose between internal memory SD cards and auto device detection using hot plug. So here you will have to decide your settings first, and then the file manager if you want to show hidden files from your computer and your phone. So I would not do that, it'll be all messy. So you can get your updates right here, and privacy will be over here. So here your phone's not detected, it's going to be right here. So it's either the Android device is either busy or not connected. So yeah, you want to check why. So you want to create Google Drive, Android file transfer, Dropbox, OneDrive, and preview for macOS Ventura only. So any other app that might be reading USB, you have to turn it off first. But if you face frequent device disconnection, just turn off the USB hot plug in settings in general. So my Android phone is not with me at the moment, so I cannot show you that I can transfer, but this is basically the application that does so. So all you have to do is drag and drop, simply as that. So you can airdrop from your iPhone to your Mac and then back into your Android. So there you go. It's just that simple to connect your Android phones to Mac for file transfers.